Still sending messages one by one to your customers? What if you can do it automatically all at once? Yes, it is possible. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you that how automatically you can send WhatsApp broadcast message to all your customers at once. So here I have an ethnic store named as Desi Drape. And for my business, I have a list of customers who are my regular customers. I have maintained the details of the customers, just their name and the phone number in my Google Sheets. I want to send a new product launch message to all these customers at once. And not only this time, but I want to send multiple messages to all these contacts, to all my customers on regular basis. But doing it manually every time is going to take a lot of time, and I will not be able to send the messages to all the customers. Therefore, here I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to send me the WhatsApp messages at once in a single click without any manual efforts, using the broadcast feature, that too without any coding and programming skills. And while sending the WhatsApp messages to all my customers, I'm also going to show you that how you can do it for your business as well. So let's get started. To start with the process, first of all, we have to go towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. This is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate all our WhatsApp conversations with new leads, customers, and many more, that too without any coding and programming skills, efficiently and effectively. So you can reach this landing page by typing this URL pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser, and once you will reach here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are an existing user like me, simply click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. When you will do that, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp automations. But after using and after exploring this software, if you would like to purchase it for your WhatsApp automation for your business, you can use my coupon code, which will provide you secret discounts at the time of checkout for purchasing yearly and lifetime plans. So this is my coupon code SHRYT, which is given over here, also will be available in the description of this video. Alright, so let's sign in towards Pabbly Chatflow as I am already an existing user. After coming on this all apps section, you can find all the Pabbly apps. Here we have Pabbly Connect, with which we can connect multiple different applications. Here we have Pabbly Chatflow, by using which we are going to automate our WhatsApp messages today. So let's click on access now. One more thing, if you want all the Pabbly apps in a single plan, you can go for purchasing Pabbly Plus. Also on Pabbly Plus, my coupon code will provide you exclusive discounts. Also, you will receive unlimited features for all the Pabbly apps given over here. Now, here as we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, first of all, in order to use Pabbly Chatflow for your WhatsApp marketing automations, you will have to connect your WhatsApp number over here. How to connect your WhatsApp number? For that, you can see the button Add WhatsApp Number. If you want to learn the full process of adding your WhatsApp number, the description will give you the video for that. I am going to attach the link of the video in the description. We have the detailed video for that as well. Now here on the dashboard, you can see we have multiple features inside Pabbly Chatflow. I am going to show you that how you can send broadcast messages very easily. So I'm going to show you the full setup of creating a WhatsApp broadcast. All right, so for that we have to go towards the broadcast section, and here we have, you can see I have multiple broadcasts scheduled and being sent on different occasions to my customers. All right, so in order to create a new broadcast, we simply have to click on this add broadcast button. I hope you all know about broadcasting. So broadcasting messages means sending bulk messages to multiple customers at the same time. If we want to provide any notification about our business to multiple customers at once, or regarding the product launches, or any of the notification that requires sending multiple messages in the customized format to each of the customers, as here you can see I have a long list of customers. Each customer has a unique name, and I want to send the message along with their customized name, okay, on their WhatsApp numbers. So broadcasting WhatsApp messages help solving these kind of problems of ours. Okay, now in order to create a broadcast, first of all, you need to select broadcast type. So here we have broadcast campaign, and then we have API campaign. If you are using any API in order to send the campaigns, you can select API campaign over here. But I am broadcasting directly, so I'm going to select broadcast campaign over here. Okay, now here we have to provide a name to the broadcast. For whatever purpose you are sending the broadcast, you can give the name accordingly. I am sending the broadcast for new product launch, so I will enter new product launch for Desi Drape. Okay, now here we have the contact list. Now to which contact list you want to send this broadcast. We have multiple contact lists in Pabbly Chatflow account. So we can select all the contacts. We can select separate list as well. Currently, I have different set of contacts over here, which is given in the Google Sheets. I'm going to upload this Google Sheets directly as contact list in my broadcast. Okay. So what am I going to do? First of all, I'm going to go towards contact section. And I'm going to add a new list of contacts that I will upload directly from the Google Sheets that I have. So here I'm going to click on this add contact button. And here we have the option of add bulk contacts. So here it is asking us for the CSV file URL. If you want to add the bulk contacts, you will upload CSV file. Okay, how you can get the CSV file? Simply the Google Sheets which you have maintained, that I am maintaining over here, which contains the details of my customers. I am going to click on this file option. Here we have the option of download, and we can download it in comma separated value, that is CSV. It is going to make this file in simple format in comma separated values and will be easily uploaded as our new contacts. And now after coming back on add bulk contacts, what we will do, we will upload the file that we have recently converted as CSV. So we will go towards this upload from media file library, and here we have the option of add new file. We will simply go towards the download section and we will drag and drop this file. Okay, we have downloaded and drag and drop this file that is converted already into CSV. It contains all the contact details, and now we are going to click on upload files. As we have done that, the file is uploaded over here. And now we will simply go towards this upload, and here we have the file. We will simply upload it. Let's click on insert, and the file is uploaded. Okay. So the file is uploaded, and here we have the name and the mobile number. Okay. Now let's simply go down and we'll click on this add contact. So when we'll do that, the contact list will be uploaded. Currently, I already have uploaded the contact list earlier as well. And in order to show you the full process, I was uploading the contact list. So I'm going to click on cross, and this is the new list that I have created. I'm going to select it in order to send the broadcast. So let's go back towards the broadcast section, and here we will go towards the list. So we will select the contact list as new list. When you will upload a new list over here, you will find the list option in the drop down. You can select it from here, and in case if you want to send the broadcast message to all your contacts, including all the lists that you have in your account, you can select all contact list. Okay, now as we have done that, we have two options. Select message type, what kind of message you want to send, whether you want to use the regular message. So what you will do, go towards regular message, select the type of message you want to send, whether it is about media message, image, which contains image, file, video, etc., or it is a simple text message, and you will simply enter the message that you want to send. All right, now because I want to use a pre-approved template message that is already approved by Meta, I am going to select pre-approved template message. I have already created a separate template that will look like this, which is approved already by Meta, and I'm going to use that template over here to send my broadcast messages. How you can create a template? So for that, go towards the template section. Let me open it in a new tab, and here you can create a new template very easily. Okay, so when you will come towards the template section, you can see that all the templates that I have created are given over here. Of these templates are already approved. It will take only 1 to 2 minutes to approve the templates by Meta, and once the template is approved, you can use it in order to send the messages in the template format directly, or also in the broadcast form. Okay, now here how to create a template. For that, we have already created a separate video tutorial which will be available in the description of this video. If you want to learn, you can just go and watch the full video. It will show you how to create the template. Both the type of templates we have, AI templates and the manual templates. All right, so this is the template that I have created. It contains a variable which will enable me to send customized messages along with the name of each of my customer on their WhatsApp number. All right, and here I am going to insert the product link or the store link, whatever I want to send. So this is my template. Now I'm going to simply select the template from this button, select WhatsApp template, and here we have all the templates that are already approved. I'm going to select this product launch message template. So here we have the exact matter of the message. And now I want to send the message along with the name of the customer. So for that, I'm going to make this body field of name as variable. How to do that? It is given in the description over here in the help text. This field is required and must not be empty. Use dynamic values with the dollar symbol, example name or first name, to replace placeholders like 1, 2 or this kind of name of the variable. Okay, so because I want to make this name dynamic so that it could get replaced automatically with every new customer, here I'm going to simply enter a dollar sign. All right, and as we have done that, now we have made this value variable. It will automatically get replaced with every new response. And now here I'm going to add my store link. I'm not going to use it with a dollar sign because I am going to send the same store link to all my customers. Okay, so this is my store link. I have entered it, and now I'm going to click on done. As we have done that, the template is ready to be sent as broadcast to all our customers. And the next we have is the username and the phone number. So basically, before sending the broadcast to all the customers, we need to test it once. How we are going to do that? By simply entering a username, a sample username and a sample phone number. To check it once, I am going to currently enter my data, my name and my phone number, so that I will get to know whether the broadcast is being sent correctly or no. So here I'm going to enter my name, and here I'm going to enter the phone number, my phone number. Okay, now when we have done that, we can click on this send test message button to check whether the template is sent correctly or no. And because my WhatsApp is already logged in, here we can see that yes, the message is received instantly. That means the broadcast is correctly set. Now as the broadcast is completed to be sent, what we can do, we have two options. We can either schedule the broadcast to be sent on a particular date and time, or either we can send it instantly. I want to send the product launch and I do not want to send it currently. I want to send it at a particular date and time. So I'm going to select yes, schedule for later. And on whichever date we want to schedule it, at whatever time we want to do that, we can schedule it from here. So I'm going to select the date and time. For example, here today is 16th of April. I want to set and schedule this broadcast to be sent to all my customers on 17th of April at 6 p.m. Okay, and now I'm going to click on add broadcast button. After setting up all the details, the broadcast is created successfully. It is scheduled for 17th of April 6 p.m. and the template message which is going to be sent in the broadcast is this. So in this way, very easily you can also set your broadcast to send WhatsApp messages not only to 1, 2 or 3 but to hundreds of customers, thousands of customers at once without any manual efforts, and that too in the personalized format. If you like this video, if you like this tutorial and it is helpful for you, do not forget to share this video with your friends. Also, if you like this automation and would like to make more such automations for your business, for your WhatsApp marketing, you can use Pabbly Chatflow and you can use my coupon code SHRYT to purchase Pabbly Chatflow and other applications of Pabbly, also Pabbly Plus, at very amazing prices, that too with exclusive discounts with the help of my coupon code. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. You will receive my coupon code in the description of the video along with other tutorials such as adding your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow and also how to create attractive templates for your WhatsApp messages. Thank you for watching the video.